When deciding whether the boating lifestyle is for you and your family, make sure to acknowledge that just like a car, boats need maintenance. In this video, we're going to focus on maintenance needed for your Sterndrive motors found on Cobalt boats. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find it helpful. Now let's begin. To start, let's go over what a Sterndrive motor is. Sterndrive motors are a combination of inboard and outboard motors, often referred to as IOs. The outdrive is mounted underneath the swim platform and the motor behind the rear sun pad of the boat. Please note, while the motor and propeller are out of sight, Sterndrive boats are still not safe for surfing. These motors are great for large bow riders that perform well on large bodies of water. Like other motors, Sterndrives require a break-in period. This is determined by the manufacturer, and each motor's break-in period is slightly different. These manufacturer guidelines help maintain the health of your motor. We recommend that you check out the owner's manual and contact your local Action Water Sports to know the best practices when breaking in your engine. After your break-in period, it's time to start considering the routine maintenance of your boat's engine. This maintenance includes inspections, oil changes, replacing batteries, impellers, and system updates. Oil changes are routine maintenance for any boat. Oil changes for Sterndrive boats are recommended to happen every 100 hours or annually. For those of you who are constantly on your boat, you may need to change your oil several times a year. Next, your battery allows you to power up your boat. It's important to keep your battery healthy. One way to do this is to make sure that your battery switch is turned off after every outing. Typically, we recommend replacing your battery every 3 to 5 years. The voltage of your battery is regularly checked when your boat is in for service. You will need to replace your impeller every year or two. The impeller is a critical part of your engine's cooling system. Without it, your boat can overheat, causing extensive and expensive repairs. Boat owners living in colder climates will have to think about winterizing their boat. Winterizing your boat ensures that nothing will freeze and cause engine damage over the winter. Here at Action Water Sports, we have several services available when you sign up for fall service. These include a 40-point inspection, system updates, freeze protection, wash and vacuum, and storage. These processes will make sure your boat is ready for cold months and will be in great shape for relaunching in the spring. Sometimes you will run into unexpected scenarios and your boat will require special service. Unexpected issues are never fun to deal with, but it's all part of owning a boat. Our 5-star certified technicians are ready to solve any issue and get you back on the water. If you have any questions about your boat's maintenance, please reach out to your local Action Water Sports. Until next time, see you on the water.